All right, so tonight we are going to see if we can one-shot prompt a recreation of Flappy Bird, except we're going to be like maybe Jumpy Banana. I don't know, because we don't want to get sued by Flappy Bird. So it'll be Flappy Bird-esque. One-shot prompt, and we're going to use Claude code. Let's go. All right, so we have our Claude code pulled up, and we have our little cute guy. I love that update they did because he is just so adorable. And we are going to get writing. All right, and always be polite to AI. You never know when that could bite you in the butt. All right, so hey Claude, we are going to recreate a Flappy Bird like game. This is web based and should have the exact same mechanics. But to avoid being sued, let's call this Jumpy Banana. Is that how you spell banana? Banana. Jumpy Banana. I'm going to hit enter. That's it. Let's see what it does. So it already has an HTML file, the index. Cool. Yes. Go. Game.js. Yes, I do. Oh my God, it's time to go. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what happens here. All right. Jumpy Banana. All right, it doesn't look great, but click or press space to jump. Start game. Oh, I mean, it did it. I mean, it would definitely need like edits, but I mean, it technically did it. And it made a really nice banana. I guess it's an emoji. That's impressive. Huh. Well, there you go. So technically, it could create it in one prompt. It would definitely need adjustments, but it can do it, which is crazy. And it looks pretty good. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more. I make a bunch of videos like this, and I'll see you guys soon.